Before you begin, remove the rubber feet, the top cover, and the larger of the two fans, memory fan. Removal. Peel back the Mylar M.2 absorber covering the M.2 socket area on the motherboard. Remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the M.2 flash memory module to the motherboard and allow it to rise to the spring tension position. Grasp the M.2 flash memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the M.2 flash memory module with the key in the M.2 flash memory module slot on the motherboard. Gently insert the M.2 flash memory module into its slot on the motherboard. Press the M.2 flash memory module down and replace the P1 Phillips head screw that secures it to the motherboard. Press the Mylar M.2 absorber covering back over the M.2 flash memory module.